Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be talking about how you can dub your voices into multi-languages. So the first thing you have to do is you have to log in into ElevenLabs and then you have to go to the Voices tab. When you go to the Voices tab, you'll see a lot of voices. Now, what you have to do is you have to see which voice is multilingualistic. Now, for example, if I want a Italian speaking voice as well as English, so what I'll do is I will click on this one. Yeah, right. So now what I'll do is I'll click on use voice. After checking the voice, I click on use voice and I will create one paragraph that I want in English and then the next paragraph in the Italian languages. Example, I'll do this one. So this model is basically Swedish and can also speak English. Now, what I'll do is I'll turn this into Swedish. Now, you guys could see the English version. Now we can just copy this and paste this. I'll generate. Now, you can see that she's speaking Swedish perfectly. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.